The first time I dealt with pinworms, it felt embarrassing. Restless sleep, constant irritation, and a quiet worry about hygiene. But pinworms are common, especially in children, and they spread easily through microscopic eggs. Understanding that removed the shame. It became a problem to solve, not a secret to hide. How pinworms survive and spread. Eggs transfer from hands to mouth. Pinworms, known medically as Enterobius formicularis, live in the large intestine. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the World Health Organization, infection usually happens when eggs are swallowed after touching contaminated surfaces, bedding, or clothing. At night, female worms lay eggs around the anal area. This causes the intense itching. Scratching spreads the eggs to fingers and under nails. The fastest reliable way to remove pinworms is not a home trick. It is proper medication. Over-the-counter medicines such as mebendazole or parentelpamide are commonly used. The National Institutes of Health explains that these medications work by disrupting the worm's ability to absorb glucose, which weakens and eliminates them. A second dose is typically taken 2 weeks later to target newly hatched worms. This step is essential. Consult your physician before treatment. When my family experienced this, we treated everyone in the house at the same time, even those without symptoms. That recommendation is supported by clinical guidance because reinfection is common. Hygiene was just as important as medication. We washed bedding, pajamas, and towels in hot water daily for several days. We trimmed fingernails short. We encouraged frequent hand washing with soap, especially before meals and after bathroom use. These simple steps break the egg transmission cycle. Reinfection risk remains without hygiene. There is no scientifically supported method that removes pinworms instantly at home without medication. Herbal remedies such as garlic or pumpkin seeds are often mentioned online, but high-quality clinical trials do not confirm rapid elimination. Relying only on unproven remedies can delay effective care. Symptoms usually improve within a few days after taking proper medication. Itching decreases as adult worms are eliminated. However, mild irritation can continue briefly while the skin heals. Watch for persistent pain or fever. If symptoms include abdominal pain, weight loss, or continued itching after full treatment, medical follow-up is necessary. In rare cases, complications can occur if infection spreads. What helped me most was tracking progress calmly. I marked the first dose date, scheduled the second dose exactly 2 weeks later, monitored symptoms each night. Within a week, sleep improved significantly. Pinworm infections are uncomfortable but rarely dangerous when treated correctly. The key is speed combined with accuracy. Take the correct medication. Repeat the dose as instructed. Clean the environment thoroughly. Avoid self-blame. This infection does not mean poor hygiene. It means exposure happened. Effects vary by age and health status. Children may need supervision to ensure proper dosing. Pregnant individuals should always consult a healthcare professional before taking any anti-parasitic medication. The science is clear. Medication stops the worms from surviving. Hygiene stops the eggs from returning. Together, they solve the problem efficiently. Health improves through informed action. If this information helped, tap like. Share it with someone who needs clarity. Act early. Follow instructions. Sleep peacefully again.